Welcome to Hollis and Nancy's Homestead, where our vision is to inspire healthier families. We love sharing with you successful, advanced methods for big harvest, most unusual varieties of vegetables, fruits, foods, builds, and DIYs. For new gardeners, master gardeners, hobby farmers, homesteaders, or anyone seeking a self-sufficient, sustainable living. Hollis makes growing things easy and has a passion for gardening for over 56 plus years. Since he was 8 years old. He's always dreamed of living on a farm since he went to visit his granddaddy's farm in Georgia. He comes from a generation of farmers dating back to the 1700s. He also had a commercial landscaping business for over 7 years. Now he loves to create methods, builds, DIYs, and tips to make gardening and homesteading easy and fun, having retired as an engineering designer working over 40 years in shipbuilding. We believe natural foods can improve you and your family's health, quality of life, heal the body, and it's the best food you ever tasted. That's why we created over 170 plus free progression tutorial videos from planting to harvest to show how easy, sustainable, and attainable proof to growing big harvests and to inspire you. We wake up every morning realizing each day is a gift and how amazingly blessed we are in living in our dream homestead, which we call our little piece of heaven on earth. If an amazing life like this can happen to an ordinary people like us, surely it can happen for anyone. You too can have your dream come true. It's never too late. We started our journey in December of 2009 on a 1/4 acre suburban home. We've been building our self-sustainable skills by incorporating the most important part of organic gardening methods and to avoid harmful chemicals. We also use modern products, builds, DIYs, and tips and tricks to make gardening fun, easy, affordable, convenient, abundant, and quick. On our new 15-acre homestead is the fulfillment of our heart's desires and dreams, and a place to enjoy the golden years of our life and to live out the romance of our marriage. It's also a place where we can leave a legacy of love, laughter, and planting seeds of wisdom for future generations. It is where we get to experience the joy and the satisfaction of growing our own food and peace knowing that it is the most important things keeping our family healthy and happy. We are just an ordinary couple living a truly beyond life, one that is marked with peace and amazing beauty, one that is entirely built on a foundation of Jesus and giving God all the glory and the praise. This is far beyond what we could have asked for, and from the seed of gratitude, knowing that each day is a gift, we feel called upon to inspire healthier families, to open the doors of our home and make a seat at our table. If amazing life like this can happen to an ordinary people like us, surely it can happen for anyone. You too can start living your dream today, even if you start with the planting of one plant in a pot in the city. Have a blessed day!